date experience was terrible, but the food was good. I'm not going to make that one incident come to overlook the fact that food was excellent. And the service was good. Not to mention the ambience. Alone. Because it will be you and them alone. So babe, do you want me to get you something? Okay, babe. I'll see you later then.
Yes, I just got a report that Ghost, the person that we have trailing Luna, that she seems to have stopped at the restaurant where they had this double date. I don't know if she's at a lunch or what. But this is your opportunity to make your way there and make her acquaintance.
Okay, sir. No problem. I'll do just that.
Okay.
Can I ask a question, sir?
Sure.
Have you gotten any report from Celine as yet?
No. I am beginning to suspect that whatever should have happened did not happen. So I am still waiting. Although, even if it didn't happen, she should have said something to me. But don't worry about it. I'll be contacting her shortly. You just let me know what happened from this meeting.
Okay, sir. We'll keep you posted.
I should do that.
Alright.
Luna Perez, right?
Who wants to know?
I'm very sorry. I'm Angela Savage, a big fan.
A fan? I'm sorry, you must have me confused with somebody else. My profession does not attract a fan base.
Maybe not, but what you stand for does.
I'm afraid I'm not following.
May I?
Sure.
Thank you. Is that the shrimp wrap? Isn't it just great? It's my favorite. I think I'll have that too for lunch. Chef, I'll have the shrimp wrap too. Just like what she's having. Alright.
Miss Savage, right?
Oh, Mrs.
Look, if you're with any media house, I don't do interviews.
Oh, no. I'm the HR manager for a small private agency. And what you're doing in your field is absolutely commendable. I've been following the story of the woman that they claim died of natural causes that you shed light on.
Oh, that's the same story. I never wanted to make mainstream media.
You prove that there's still good people in this world that stand on professional principles and morals.
Thank you. But that case brought me unnecessary attention. And I'm really a private person.
So am I, Luna. May I call you Luna?
Sure.
Okay. Thank you. So what happened to the wedge? I don't get any. Please tell the chef I want it just like hers. Oh. Thank you. You see, there are some things we don't bargain for at times. But when you realize, it's a calling.
Colin?
Listen, when this story broke publicly, I took the initiative to do a research on you. This isn't the first time that you've been approached for a bribe to doctor results, right?
No, it's not.
Can I be a little bit impertinent and ask, why haven't you taken the money?
Because money is not a good enough reason for me to taint my profession.
Well, as straightforward as that answer may be, not many professionals see it that way or practice that code of conduct.
I realize, but I would never compromise the integrity of my profession.
And because of that, you have become a hero to many, especially young females seeking to step into this area.
Really? I didn't know this.
You are inspiration, Miss Perez, and you need to be protected.
Protected?